two types of Korean cold noodles today, aka Naengmyeon. One is going to be Bibim Naengmyeon with a watermelon broth, and the other is going to be Mul Naengmyeon. The marinade I'm making right now is for the Bibim Naengmyeon. Now I'm going to cut some cucumbers and apples to put on top. Usually I would put pear, but I didn't have any, so I'm going to be using the apple today. You want to thinly slice them and make sure they're thin enough so that you can easily eat them with the noodles. I'm also going to boil some eggs to put on top. Make sure to put them in cold water after to stop the cooking process. Now we're going to boil the noodles for about 2 minutes. I chose the matcha noodles. You can easily find the noodles for Naengmyeon at the freezer section in an Asian market. Make sure to drain your noodles in cold water right after because we want to eat our cold noodles cold, not hot. I highly recommend grilling some kind of protein like kalbi or bulgogi with your noodles. I'm grilling chadol or thinly sliced brisket. This is totally optional because the noodles are good on their own, but I personally think it's like a match made in heaven. Now we're going to grind up about 1 cup of frozen watermelon to about 1 cup of non-frozen watermelon to make the watermelon broth. You guys can totally use water, but I use coconut water for the liquid part in the juice. The watermelon juice is going to be the base of our sauce for the Bibim Naengmyeon. To make Mul Naengmyeon, I took the back of a ladle and hit a frozen pack of pre-made broth. This process will make the slushy consistency of Naengmyeon you get at the restaurant. Pour the watermelon juice we made earlier over the other noodles. Now you want to put the previously cut cucumbers and apples over the noodles for the extra crunch and flavor. You can put as much as you want, but I put a lot. Don't forget the egg. And lastly, the sesame seeds. Pour about 6 to 7 tablespoons of the marinade we made earlier over the watermelon noodles. And lastly, put about a teaspoon of sesame oil. I made a dipping sauce consisting of salt, pepper, and sesame oil to dip my meat in. And it's done. Super easy, fast, and simple. This recipe is perfect for a hot summer day or just any other day in general. Thanks again so much for watching this video, and I really hope you try this recipe out because it's super delicious. And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell